हेलो।
नहीं जाएगी।
आपको 2 मिनट का इसको करना पड़ेगा ना। मैं गुड मॉर्निंग
कौन है? जी बोलिए।
बाहर देखो तो वीडियो
नहीं
अभी है ना 5 मिनट, मैडम सेटिंग कर रहे होंगे। बचता नहीं है ना।
यही होगा।
हाँ वही
ऑनलाइन टीचिंग के डले हुए थे, जैसे लोग डालते हैं ना कि अभी हमने आज ये लेक्चर लिया। करना तो पड़ेगा,
वही बोलूँ ना। हाँ मैं वही
प्रमोशन भी हो जाएगा।
हाँ करना तो पड़ेगा भाई, हमें थोड़ा बात आपको करनी पड़ेगी ना। तो स्कूल से अपन की चल रहे हैं, आपकी बातचीत हो रही है।
पहले तो था मैं इस बात से आ जाऊंगी, मैंने बोला सब काम कर लेगी।
मैम
हेलो मैम, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, सॉरी। सॉरी।
हाय व्हाट सॉरी, इट्स ओके। पहली बार मिल रहे हैं टुडे। गुड मॉर्निंग।
हेलो मैम।
हाय मैम।
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
क्या करूं
Say hi. बहुत क्यूट है.
हेलो मैम बोलो,
हेलो
ऊपर देखो।
What are you
Hello,
saying?
good afternoon.
Arya?
हाय तो कर
बहुत क्यूट है. She's so cute.
थैंक यू बोलो, आपको क्यूट बोल रहे, थैंक यू बोलो, ऊपर देखिए बोलो थैंक यू।
Pooja ma'am, I wanted to ask you that you have made those puzzles or it was already there with you?
No, ma'am, it was there.
Okay. So she
Actually,
might
she
have
got
seen
it in a return gift, and I had
Okay.
put it in the
Use it, is it?
yeah. But ma'am, there is one group on Facebook called Footap. There she teaches like this the many activities like making puzzles, make how to make Footap.
Great. Yeah. Yes, ma'am, you are saying something.
Yeah, ma'am. There is one group in Facebook called Footap. FUTAPP. There, the owner of that Footap lady takes the live sessions for 10 to 15 days in a stretch within one month. There she teaches the activities for the toddlers and all. So
Okay.
there she taught to make the puzzles with the ice cream sticks. Like on the ice cream sticks, you stick the picture, and then if the child is 2 years old, then you cut it into 3 parts. If the child is then you can write the numbers also 1, 2, 3
Yes,
like
yes.
that. So they will
Sequencing.
learn the
Yes.
number sequence also.
Yeah. Right.
Actually, ma'am, I was a teacher 3 years back. That's why.
So you are still a teacher. You don't think like that.
Yeah,
I'm a
I'm.
teacher now. We all are teachers.
This is also there.
And are the classes worth, attend, keeping this session?
Yeah.
Is it worth or not?
Superb, ma'am.
If it is helping you out, then only just fruitful. Otherwise, it will not.
So, my daughter, she's just enjoying. Today is our weekend, and we were talking with our families back in India. So she was telling them now chali, now chali, now chali. So they were wondering what is this now chali, now chali.
Okay. Actually, children love all these things,
Yeah,
and they are missing. That is the only
ma'am.
thing they
In
enjoy.
India, back in India, do we have the concept of circle time?
Yes, we do have it. Many schools. It is there.
Is there?
Good afternoon,
It is
Aarti
taken
ma'am.
in different ways. Hi, Sonu ma'am.
Yeah.
Good
Afternoon, Aarti ma'am.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Ma'am, in our school, we are also having the the ma'am has told na that circle time in the morning.
Yes.
After the assembly, we have to take it in the class for the 15 or 20 minutes. In that, there is a storytelling, like numberings,
Science and all.
these. We have to repeat all the topics in the morning after the
Even sight
assembly.
words
for
also.
15 minutes in the class. Yeah,
Yeah, it
they, on the
depends how
daily
we want
basis.
to conduct. We can
Yeah.
have it in different manner. Even we can sort out so
Like
many
revision
physical
basis.
issues.
Yes.
Okay. I used to play so many games in circle time.
Okay. We are also doing the same. We are making a circle and we are singing a song and doing a puppet activity, and we are repeating the means like numbering, alphabet, and all the things. Phonic sounds, 2-letter words, 3-letter words, like this. We will make a circle, sit together, and we will play the games also along with this.
Okay. All right. So I think we should start today's session. Okay. Are you all ready with your materials?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope. Potato, everything has at home? You don't have?
Only
Okay.
potato we have. Potato and onion.
In this time, I cannot expect the vegetables you must have, but at least I can expect that you must have potato. So vegetables, we understand that we can take vegetable printing, so I didn't go for it. Of course, I'll share that what all we can do with the vegetables. So today, our topic is the aesthetic and the creative development. So what is aesthetic and creative development? Anything? You all can put your video on.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
creative development, I did one activity in the school that we took the children in the playground. There we played the bubble machine, and the children were just playing with the bubbles. And when we returned to the class, we just gave a piece of paper to children and told just to put on paper their imaginations. There are wonderful imaginations where children, there's snowman and a man and a girl standing in snow, animals in the snow. Means the bubbles they were imagining as a snow.
No, yes.
That is the creativity which comes out of the children.
Because they think in different manner that we do not. The thinking is different. Their imagination is different. Their world is entirely different. Any other inputs? An aesthetic, anyone? Aesthetic development or aesthetic? Who would like to say? No?
Ma'am, in aesthetic means it is a way to encourage the child development, and in creative we will take like some of the games, musics, and all these things. Means to the way the child can learn in a creative way, like singing, like dancing, along with this.
So that is here I can make out that this is we are talking about our creativity, how we are taking the lessons creative in the creative manner to make the learning happen. Okay, to facilitate the learning so the children will learn faster or maybe their interest. But what actually creativity is, And aesthetic means it is somewhere correlated. Aesthetic basically deals with the appreciation of things. It may be in the form of art, music, dance, okay, in the drama form. Like they should understand how to appraise the things, also how to appreciate. Like if something is beautiful, that we'll say wow. So they have to learn the appreciations also. It helps them to handle with their own emotions. It helps them to connect, and it develops certain skills also, like interpersonal skills. If they are talking to someone, so it is developing the interpersonal skills. We have seen that sometimes children, when they see new things, they do appraise, and in the school time they do appraise our dresses also, whatever we wear. If they like, sometimes they say, ma'am, you wore this today, or why did you wear this today, why you are looking different today. So that is what the appreciation is. Okay, and then it develops the aesthetic sense, that whatever we have in the world around us, how do we deal with all these things, right? And then creativity is the expressions of one's own ideas. So how we will make our children to be creative, how we can bring out their imagination on the paper. Maybe like ma'am said, that we have played the bubbles. So with the bubbles, what they have imagined, they are playing in the snow. So they have depicted their own imagination on the paper. Because the children are very small, they don't have words to write. They don't have words to even speak sometimes, because they lack vocabulary of that particular incident. So what they can do is they can draw the pictures very well.
Ma'am, one common thing I have seen in children, that if a child has to say that I love you, ma'am, they will use a heart on a paper to tell us.
Yes.
They will not write that. They will draw a heart and color it, and they will give us the heart only.
Because they have seen that the heart depicts love everywhere. They are seeing in the television also, in the cartoons also. So they are using that because they don't know how to write the word love. So this is what they want to express their own feeling. I remember my incidents of my own son, and he was around 2.5 only, and we were making holy card for a class teacher, and I took his handprint. And we were about to write inside the handprint. I thought that I'll write Happy Holi. So the moment I was about to tell him that you just copy down what I'm writing, so I was like, yeah, I'll write HAPPY on other paper and he will copy it down. So before that, he made a smiley on that. And I got very angry, like with myself, what did you do? I did it very, like it took me very hard to cut your hand, and it was opening like this. So I wanted to write here, and he made this smiley, and I thought, what did he do? Then I asked him very patiently, why did you make this? Then he told me it is happy. Because the teacher has taught happy and sad with the help of these two smileys.
Expressions.
So he was able to connect that happy means this. And then below that we wrote the word holy. That's it. It means happy holy. So this is how children communicate their own feelings in the form of pictures. So initially we have to give them time to express themselves. Instead of giving them the picture, then you copy it down or maybe you color it. That is not creativity.
My daughter just loves to do the circles, and then she tells me, ma'am, mama, this is grapes, this is apple,
This is what.
she imagines her own things in that circle.
And in that time they are struggling because they cannot make it more than that. They are not capable of. So we can't say that
Ma'am,
you
she
are
is showing
wrong.
her creativity. She is showing her creativity in a different ways. The ma'am told na that her daughter used to draw this and apple and all this. She want to show her
Yes,
creativity.
And they feel confident. Yes, I can draw this also. I can draw this also. I can draw this. So you must be happy. At least they
Imagine.
know that they are doing something and they can describe what they are doing. It may be a small circle for us, but they have this story behind that, a single circle, not only one name. They can describe you the story. Okay. But if we don't give them opportunity to do all these things, we won't be able to understand them. We are not giving them independence. What is independence for you?
Independence is we are able to do what we want. We are not forced to do anything.
Right. That is very important, that we have to give our children independency. Independency means free. Let them be free what they want to, but in a limited
Limited environment.
boundary. Yeah.
Yeah.
It should not go beyond the expectation, maybe. So give them the choice what they want to do. Little choices, that either you want to do coloring or you want to do drawing. So it's a closed choice. They have to choose only one between two. So it is like we are also fulfilling our requirements and they are also choosing. So it is helping them to develop the decision making skill. They can decide
And this
what
we
they
can
want.
use while shopping also. Like when we go to a toy shop
Yes.
and we give them option between 2 to 3 toys, that what do you want? She clearly tells that I want this, mama, I don't want this too.
Yeah. And sometimes, and many a time it happens that we take the toys also of our own choice.
It happened with me.
But it should not be done, because children do not take what we are buying. They don't play with it. You will take it, but it will be lying as it is at home. She will not take interest because she wanted something else. She wanted to explore something else. So that this is our responsibility. They don't want the expensive toys. They are very happy in your 5 rupee toy. They're very happy with it. And at least they can do what they want to do with the 5 rupee instead of 500. And 500, if she does something or he does something, that it will kill us, that you have spoiled my money. It should not be there. They are meant to, explore the things. So let them explore, then only they will learn. They will learn with their own experiences. Maybe a piece of paper. They must be very happy to handle that piece of paper. It can grab the attention of a child even for an hour instead of a toy. The children do not like the toys at all. They just play for 5 to 10 minutes and they start getting bored. Because nobody is playing with them. They don't know how to play with this. They bored easily. So here we'll do one creativity, like how we can develop the different creative skills, or maybe how we can give them the opportunity so that they can bring out their own imagination. In my school time, I just used to give them the free time. You draw whatever you want to. Let them draw. Give them a blank paper without anything. Then they will draw so many new things. And they will explain also, they will describe also. So while they are describing, they are developing their language skills as well. Because they cannot write, but when they will come to writing part, they will be able to write paragraphs and maybe the lines on that particular thing. So today we'll take only one part of the crafts activity, that is printing. So we'll see printing can be done in many ways.
Ma'am, in last PPT, what was the last thing? Sponge, paper, scrub, and the last one? Bottle.
Bottle top and pen cap. We can take anything where we can have the impressions of. These are basically the impressions of the thing. Like we take the handprint,
Yeah.
thumbprint, fist print.
Even we can use strings, madam.
Yes, string.
String.
Definitely, yes. So I just mentioned whatever I could recall at the moment. Okay, so we can add more. So this is printing activity that we are making them to print and create something. So today I'll teach you vegetables. We can use like lady's finger. It will give you the impression of a flower. We can use onions. When you half cut the onion vertically, then you will get the bird kind of image, maybe shape. Or if you cut it from the middle, you will get a round shape. That also will have a different impression. So it depends what we want to create, and let them create on their own. Just give it and let them understand what they are doing with all these things. Right? So do you know how can we use potato for the printing? Like it is very round, it does not have any shape. When we cut, it will give you the flat, round, or maybe uneven shape. So if I want to make a flower with it, how will I make it?
If I want to make a,
flower.
you can cut with a knife and give. Make a stamp and give.
Yes. Yes, I'll have to cut this thing into many shapes. I can cut it as a star also, as a flower also, maybe any animal also, if we are good at. So you can draw whatever you want to. It's all up to you what you can do with your potato. Do you all have your potatoes?
Yes.
So you have to create your own design and then you have to show it on the screen. Okay, you can see my design is also empty. I'm going to do it with you. All right, whatever you want to, you can create, think, and then bring it on your paper or on your sheet. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Very calm, who is saying thank you?
My name is Kat.
Hello, ma'am. Are we supposed to do it now or we can show it tomorrow?
I want you to do it now. If you have the things, if material
Okay.
is not available, then I can exempt you.
Okay, ma'am.
Because if you face any problem, then we can definitely guide right now and we can sort it
But
out.
ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Done.
Shapes. Shapes.
Chips. Great. Good. Somebody has made leaves. Very nice.
Done, ma'am.
Bold.
Ma'am, I have done.
You have done? Very good.
I have no color.
बताना क्या बनाया?
A bird.
Bird. Show me a bird.
Ma'am.
Flower.
Start.
Okay.
Flower.
बताओ मैम को बताओ मैंने बनाया C. C, ma'am. C. I have drawn this. See?
Star बनाया.
Star.
Lovely
I
star.
have done this.
And where
Spin
are
on,
the
spin.
stars?
Where are stars? Where are stars? Yay! These are my stars. These are my stars. These are my stars. Yes, these are. Don't do like this. Put it this and this. Yay!
पत्ती या छोटी.
Nice, very nice. And make more, huh? नहीं बेटा कलर मैं आप कवर कर सकती हैं
भागे मत कभी चल
जी ऐसा उड़ाओ नहीं पूरा ड्रेस तो उड़ेगा फिर
पानी डालो इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ उसको ये ऑरेंज
मुझे तो कुछ गड़बड़ लग रही है नीचे और उसकी दोस्त आज ही यहाँ आए क्या इन्हें एंटोनियो के यहाँ आने की खबर पहले से थी मुझे लगता है मुझे पूरी छुट्टी करनी चाहिए
Okay, done everyone? Still left?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
मैं दूसरा पेपर रुको wait
I think vegetables are also very useful, ma'am. We should not put it in dustbin. It can be used as a very creative for the kids, ma'am, I suppose. We keep on throwing things in the dustbin, but it can be used. We can choose also.
Now, this guy is teaching us what is important and what is not.
Ma'am, we can reuse it, man. People are like doing so much of this. They just want to waste it. They just want to put it.
Yeah.
One can use it and reuse because it's something we don't have to buy it again and again. Things, na?
Yeah.
If you want to make your child learn something, you can.
Let them value
Yes,
something that we are really getting it, and let it be for others also. We are the only one who are the users of these things. We have so many people who need actually. So it may be that we are taking from other shares also. So that should not be done.
Ma'am, it's we are wasting so much of things, ma'am. We should not be wasting, ma'am. Like this. Yeah.
Try to make as maximum utilization of things you can do in the minimum quantity, and that would be better. Okay.
Yes.
I could do only this much. I don't know.
Oh, very nice, ma'am.
So I would like you all to show it on the screen yours so that I can take the one screenshot. Okay.
This is my fish and butterfly look as much good. But
Wow, I can see fish also. Lovely. Good.
I use
Everyone be ready so that I'll take. It's okay. If we don't have even colors, we can do it with haldi. So do I show it again? I'm taking a click.
I did it with haldi.
I'm taking a click. It's okay. Hold it up.
देखना फिर इनको पानी डाल
And still it's left. Wow, ants. I can see ants, butterfly.
ma'am, very nice.
Capsicum. What? Yeah. Sorry.
Very nice.
Chips. Fine. Oh wow. Flowers. We can see so many lovely things. See the caterpillar. I really liked it.
Flower.
Wow. Lovely. Okay, I'll go on the second screen also. Wait, if anybody is left. Is there anyone who's left? Otherwise, the people will complain me I'm not there in the picture. Yeah, all right. I think done. Right? This way we can utilize. One more example I would like to share. One time my son was very small, and that is the creativity which he shown. He was looking for his shorts or maybe pants, I don't remember, and he was 2.5 only. He was wearing his underpants and he was looking for pants, and he was not getting. So I thought what he's looking for, I understood. Then I asked him, what are you looking for? He said, Mama, wo kahan hai wo? I said, wo what? I want the name. So, and he was not getting the name. He said, Mama, meri chaddi ka bhai kahan hai? Because he had the elder brother, so he could correlate कि जो बड़ा होता है उसको भाई बोलते हैं.
Right.
It was really amazing to listen कि बच्चे कहाँ तक सोच सकते हैं to answer, but we have to give them time to think and answer. हम उनको time ही
Yes.
नहीं देते कि वो अपना answer बोल पाएं. They take time
Answer.
to think and then reflect. So we have to be more patient enough to understand and to be a good listener. Listen to them. Give them time to speak. Don't be after them, bolo, 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 bolo. So it, creates hyper in them. So you have to give them time, relax, have patience. So a little pause can make a difference. Give them more time to explore the new things because the environment is entirely new for them. And this time is really very crucial. If we get hyper in this time, they won't be able to adjust. They will be more hyper. जैसे बच्चे गिर जाते हैं तो बोलते हैं अरे गिर गया तो उससे ज्यादा तो टेंस अपन हो जाते हैं उसको लगती नहीं है वो he starts crying because we are showing something else उसको चोट नहीं लगती because of चोट he doesn't cry he cries कि मम्मा को पता नहीं क्या हो गया कैसे रिएक्ट कर रही है इतना छोटा सा है
They cry because of our expressions.
हाँ this is what कि they don't understand what we are trying to do it
मैं है ना मेरी लड़की पढ़ती है तो मैं उसके पीछे नहीं भागती तो लोग मुझे यहाँ पे बोलते तू कैसी माँ है मैंने कहा जैसी हूँ वैसी ये हूँ बट शी स्टैंड्स अप और वो अपने हाथ क्लैप करके खड़ी हो जाती है मम्मा आई एम फाइन नाउ शी इज स्ट्रांग इनफ शी डजंट क्राई when she falls down.
This is how they learn to challenge the face the challenges actually in the real life. That is what required.
उस टाइम सोसाइटी हमें ऐसे बोलती है तू कैसी माँ है
It's okay. Let them speak. So you have to leave your children today with these things so that they can explore more whatever they want to do. And then you can ask them, you can talk to them what they have made. And I would like if you can write also their expression, their ideas. They are saying and you have to write on the picture. It will be a good, nice memory when you will see it after a year and after 4 years also. It would be a good memory. Because so, if we write, we can recall कि हाँ इसने ये बनाया था तो ये बोला था इस चीज के लिए. We cannot remember each and everything. But when we go back, at least we can recall those beautiful memories, which are really very good that it registers here in the mind. It does not go off. Right? We cannot wash it from our mind, from our heart, from our life. That becomes a part of your life. Anything else anyone has to say?
Ma'am, just tell me more about yourself, ma'am.
Who is asking? May I know?
Nikita.
Nikita, can you wave?
Yeah, Nikita
Kapoor. Okay. Sorry. What do you want to know me, ma'am, about myself?
No, don't call me ma'am. First of all, ma'am, just wanted to know more about yourself. Like since you started off with this thing, the school and everything, and you have kids, I suppose. So tell me about your experience, ma'am, till now. What exactly you learned from life, ma'am?
Okay.